Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant chat message notifications on Roblox while using the web version on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable chat message notifications after the new 2025 update, so you can enjoy a distraction-free gaming experience. First, open up Roblox in your preferred browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your account settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a look at the options on the left-hand side. Find and select the Notifications tab. This is where you can control all your Roblox notification preferences. You'll see a list of different notification types, including friend requests, game invites, and of course, chat messages. Next, look for the section labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on PC, Roblox now groups all chat message notifications here for easier management. Click on Mobile Push Notifications to expand the options. Within this menu, you'll find a toggle for chat message notifications. To stop receiving these alerts, simply switch the toggle off. This will disable chat message notifications from popping up while you're playing or browsing on Roblox. Once you've turned off chat message notifications, you can review the other notification types and disable any others you find unnecessary. Remember to save your changes if prompted. That's it. You've now successfully disabled chat message notifications on Roblox Web for PC. Enjoy your gaming sessions without interruptions from chat alerts. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want a quieter Roblox experience. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!